In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Microsoft OneNote. Backing up your notebooks depends on the version you're using and where your notes are stored, so I'll walk you through the two most reliable approaches to keep your work safe and recoverable. If you're using the OneNote desktop app on Windows, either OneNote for Microsoft 365 or OneNote 2016, OneNote can create automatic backups and also lets you trigger a manual backup at any time. First, set a safe backup location. Open OneNote on your PC, go to File, then Options, and choose Save and Backup. Under the Save section, click Backup Folder and select Modify. Pick a location that isn't just your computer's internal drive, such as an external hard drive, a USB stick, or a secure network location. Storing backups off your main device protects you if your computer fails or gets corrupted. In that same Save and Backup area, you'll notice OneNote's backup settings. This is where you can see how backups are handled behind the scenes, including how many copies OneNote retains. When you've made a lot of changes or finished something important, run a manual backup for extra peace of mind. Still in File, Options, Save and Backup. Choose Backup All Notebooks. Now, wait for the confirmation before closing OneNote. This creates a snapshot of your notebooks and saves it in the folder you chose. It's a good idea to keep your device powered and connected during this process, especially if your notebooks are large. If you want to verify, open the backup folder you selected and check that the new backup files are there. If your notebooks are stored in OneDrive or you primarily use OneNote for the web, OneNote doesn't create separate local backup files in the same way. Your notes are constantly synced to the cloud, and OneDrive provides version history and a recycle bin. To add another layer of protection, download an offline copy from OneDrive. Open OneDrive.com. In your browser, navigate to the folder where your OneNote notebooks live, often inside Documents, select the notebook folders, and click Download. OneDrive will package them into a zip file. Save that zip to a safe place, like an external drive or a secondary cloud account, and you can extract it later and open the notebooks with the desktop app if needed. To recap, desktop users should set a dedicated backup folder and run manual backups after major edits, and cloud users should occasionally download their notebooks from OneDrive for an extra offline copy. This simple routine keeps your notes protected.